Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really appreciate you clicking on this video because there are a lot out there that you could have watched but you decided to stop by today. And I can promise you, you're going to enjoy today's video. All right, let's get straight into it. This DIY hair growth recipe is so powerful, guys. Don't even sleep on it. If you are looking for ways to grow your hair, or you are just looking for ways to prevent hair breakages, hair loss, and maintain the health of your hair, take this recipe seriously. And one thing I love about this recipe is the fact that the ingredients are very easy to find. You can find them in any grocery store or market. So my first natural ingredient is mint. Mint is one of the powerful natural ingredients that can help stimulate blood flow into your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. Aside that, I just love the smell of mint, and also I love how it feels on my scalp whenever I use it in this recipe. Mint can also prevent hair loss, hair shedding, hair thinning, anything that concerns hair fall. Give mint a try, you will not regret using it. So the first thing I did was to wash my mint. You don't want any dirt, bacteria, anything on those leaves. Make sure you do a good job when it comes to washing it. And we do not want any water in this recipe. So once you wash it, make sure to dry it very well. This is clove. Clove is one of the powerful natural ingredients that have been used by many and they have actually seen results. I'm one of them. If you are not using clove, I'm telling you, you're really missing out on something good. Clove can also improve blood circulation to the scalp. It is going to strengthen your hair follicles. It can also prevent hair breakages. This is black seeds. Black seeds is another powerful natural ingredient that can stimulate new healthy hair growth. Black seeds can also prevent hair breakages. So these natural ingredients we are using today have similar properties that can help you grow your hair and prevent hair loss. The main goal is to prevent hair loss, because if you want to grow thicker, fuller hair, you need to be able to prevent hair breakages so you can always retain some length and thickness. So what I did was I put all the natural ingredients in a blender, then blended it together. So when it comes to this recipe, we need to add some carrier oil. You can use any plant-based oil of your choice. Today, I decided to add olive oil. Olive oil is one of my favorite natural oils that I use for my hair. I'm also going to add a second oil, but you do not have to add both oils. You can use either of them, or you can use both. You can also use other plant-based oils like coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, just to mention a few. So when it comes to the measurement, I didn't use any specific measurement, but the trick is make sure you add enough oil to cover your natural ingredients, because the oil is what is going to do the job. It is going to extract all the nutrients needed from these natural ingredients. So make sure you add enough oil. So the second oil I added was sweet almond oil. It's a very lightweight oil, great oil to maintain the strength and health of your hair. So I added enough to cover the natural ingredients. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. All right, so what I did was I used the double boiler method to infuse these ingredients with my oil. So what you're going to do is you're going to boil a pot of water. Then you're going to either put any cloth in it so it doesn't break your jar. This will help it not actually boil, but it will take its time to extract all the nutrients needed from these natural ingredients. You're going to leave it sitting in the hot water for about 20 to 30 minutes. All the trick is you're going to wait till the oil is super warm to touch, as well as if you see color change in the oil. It's actually going to change into green because of the mint leaves. So once you have it like so, your recipe is almost ready. But there are a few ingredients we're going to add to maximize the benefit of this DIY hair growth oil. So we're going to add some essential oil. Today I chose to add tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very powerful when it comes to stimulating blood flow to your scalp. Aside that, it is also going to improve the smell of this recipe. So you can choose any essential oil of your choice. Peppermint essential oil, rosemary essential oil, they all have great benefits for the hair. Plus, they are going to improve the smell of any DIY recipes. You just need to add a few drops. I also added a tablespoon of castor oil. Castor oil can condition your hair. It is a very thicker oil that can help maintain the health of your hair and also prevent hair breakages. Once you add everything, you're going to give it a good stir, then you can transfer it into your bottle. This oil can be used on your wash days. It can be used on a regular basis at least 4 times a week on your scalp and on your hair strands. Make sure to massage it in. Be consistent with the use for faster results. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one.